Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are, part 86. Getting towards the end, but it is still exciting as always. So, here we are talking about the idea that we are truly at our core just love. We are all just loving beings, and that's what's important. He's saying that we often think of ourselves as our body or our mind, but truly we are this spirit of pure love. Think what you will about the spirit part, but I would take it to mean that our minds are of pure love, that who we truly are there is about love. And that people constantly are just like, why does my body look this way? Why don't I have more muscles? Why am I not thinner? Why am I not doing better? And then they question their mind, why am I not good at doing this homework? Why can't I write an essay better? How come I'm no good at doing this? Why can't I be as good as somebody at this other thing? And they're constantly saying, okay, not good enough, not good enough, not good enough. Now, if you say to the world and things you have, not good enough, not good enough, not good enough, then you're going to have your subconscious mind programmed to tell you, not good enough, not good enough, not good enough. Now, you don't want that because as soon as you have that, your subconscious mind is just hurting you instead of helping you. But instead, once you have it programmed positively and you say, this thing is good, and you practice that love and seeing yourself as love, then you can't see the problems, the flaws as easily as you could before. I imagine if you go diving for them, eventually at some level you'd be able to see them. But when you have that pure love and you think of yourself as, I'm a loving being, I come from love above all else. And love will really set your mind free from a lot of the problems that naturally plague it. That's basically it for part 86. I hope this was useful, and I will see you guys next time with part 87. Let's wrap this series up and let's have some fun with it, so stay tuned.